In my opinion, it is very important to teach captive animals, especially exotics, how to voluntarily and happily accept the content of a syringe. So our plan is to use positive reinforcement to approximate head movement towards the syringe and using his tongue to lick the content in the syringe. Initially, I reinforce any small movement towards the syringe. I hold the syringe away from Shiv to encourage movement towards it. We raise our criteria in achievable steps. We do not try to hide anything inside the syringe. So the point of this exercise is not to hide medication in some food in the syringe and try and give it to the animal, because eventually the animal will realize and stop taking the food. We focus on reinforcing taking any substance from the syringe. This could be something neutral like water, it could be something the animal likes, or it can even be something that the animal has never tasted before or tastes slightly bitter. Your veterinary surgeon should be able to recommend what type of things to practice with.